Previously, we looked at how artificial intelligence helps scientists search for new medicines. But not all healthcare AI works in those dramatic moments of drug discovery or diagnosis. Much of it operates quietly in the background. Everyday healthcare is a constant battle against time and overwhelming amounts of data. Welcome to Chapter 6, AI in Healthcare and Drug Development. Section 04, The Quiet Work, AI Behind the Scenes, Care, Monitoring, and Operations. In this section, we will explore 4 specific areas where AI acts as a quiet assistant. 4.1, Early warning systems that watch the numbers. 4.2, Wearables and care at a distance. 4.3, the AI scribe, giving clinicians their time back. And finally, 4.4, Triage and the business of care. 4.1, Early warning systems that watch the numbers. In a hospital, a patient's condition can become dangerous fast, but the warning signs often appear in vital signs and lab results hours before a human notices anything at the bedside.
This is where predictive analytics comes in. Think of it as software that studies past data to forecast likely future problems. Look at this animated chart, which plots a patient's real-time lab data. An early warning model continuously checks these incoming numbers against that shaded threshold zone, which represents the patterns of past cases that ended badly. A primary target for this technology is sepsis, a subtle, life-threatening, and fast-moving response to infection. When the incoming vitals cross into that historical danger zone, the system raises a flag. Consider a deep learning tool nicknamed Sepsis Watch. As the timeline below the graph shows, this AI can flag likely sepsis up to 6 hours before it becomes obvious to the care team. The value here is strictly time. The AI does not treat the patient. It simply sends an alert to a doctor or nurse, keeping the human-in-the-loop rule intact. The clinician examines the patient and makes medical decisions. 4.2, Wearables and care at a distance. This watchful idea now extends outside the hospital through wearable technology. Devices like smartwatches and fitness bands use AI to interpret body signals, from heart rhythms and blood oxygen to sleep patterns and hard falls. Because these devices collect data all day long, they excel at pattern recognition. People have sought medical care simply because their watch noticed an irregular rhythm they couldn't feel themselves. When a clinic formally organizes this kind of tracking for patients recovering at home, it's called remote patient monitoring. AI reviews the incoming data and flags any concerning readings between physical appointments. But wearables collect an intimate diary of a person's body, prompting a necessary privacy pause. Before trusting a health app, you need to ask, where does the data go? Who can see it? Could it be shared with an employer, insurer, or advertiser? And is it protected like a hospital record or treated like consumer app data? Monitoring a patient at home offers enormous preventative value, but the moment health data leaves the traditional medical setting, its privacy becomes critically vulnerable. 4.3, the AI scribe, giving clinicians their time back. Today, doctors and nurses spend hours typing notes into electronic health records. This heavy documentation burden steals time away from patients and is a major driver of clinician burnout. An AI scribe, also known as ambient documentation, is designed to relieve that pressure. With the patient's permission, this tool listens during a visit and drafts a structured clinical note. This side-by-side comparison shows the practical impact. On the left, without an AI scribe, the clinician's attention is fixed on a computer screen. On the right, with the AI scribe handling the draft in the foreground, the clinician can make direct eye contact with the patient. There is a common myth that the AI listens, writes the official medical note, and the doctor never has to look at it again. The reality is quite different. AI scribes can mishear conversations or invent details. Producing a draft is only the first step. The clinician is absolutely required to review, correct, and physically sign off on the note before it enters the official record. The true value of the AI scribe isn't replacing the doctor's judgment. It functions as an attention saver, restoring the human connection in the exam room. 4.4, Triage and the business of care. A hospital is a complex operation, and AI helps manage the massive amount of behind-the-desk work required to keep it moving. A key function is triage, the process of sorting patients by how urgently they need care. AI supports this prioritization alongside other logistical tasks, like predicting how many beds will be needed next week, smoothing out scheduling, routing patient questions, and catching billing errors. This operational work rarely looks dramatic, but it carries quiet, serious stakes. It holds immense power over the logistics of health. If the administrative algorithms deciding who gets seen sooner, or how questions are routed, are biased or careless, they can unfairly steer care towards some groups and away from others. Behind-the-scenes AI acts as a powerful assistant, supporting early warnings, remote monitoring, clinical documentation, and hospital operations, while the ultimate responsibility for care remains strictly human. Because these invisible systems carry such profound risks to fairness, privacy, and accountability, they demand rigorous ethical scrutiny. We will explore those risks next. In modern healthcare, it is often the quietest AI that has the loudest impact on patient lives.